See the question. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So let me draw radius 5 centimeter here. So this is 5 centimeter radius. So 5 centimeter radius, taking this 5 centimeter. See here 5 centimeter I have taken. This is 5 centimeter. So draw the circle. Taking this radius 5 centimeter, draw the circle. See, this is the circle I have drawn. Now draw two tangent to this circle so that the angle between the tangent is 45 degree. So let's say this is the circle and angle between the tangent is 40. Say here one tangent there if I draw and another here. This is the rough diagram I am showing you. The angle between the tangent is 45 degrees. So here it should be 45 degree. And tangent means, you know, tangent and radius make 90 degree with each other. So this one should be 90 degree. According to the question, this is the tangent, this is the tangent. So angle between them will be 45 degree. And we know tangent make 90 degree with the radius. This one also tangent make 90 degree with the radius. So what will be the remaining angle? Because you know this is a quadrilateral and if you give name A, B, C, D, then these four angles together it should be 360 degrees. So 360 minus these three you add 90 plus 45. So what will come in 180 plus 45, that is 225. So if you subtract you will get this angle. What is the value of this angle? That is 5 carry on 3 6. So it is 135 degree. So here you have to draw 135 degree. Now see how I am drawing 135 degree here. So from the center up to this one you draw and produce. Now this point, first you draw 90 degree. Every one of you know how to draw 90 degree. So your technique I am only applying here. So this is 60, this is 90 and this is 120, and if you take one arc from here, that will be 90 degree. So that 90 degree when you are drawing, no need to produce this line, only mark here this point, because from here we will take one arc and from there this point another arc. What we are doing, actually we are bisecting this 90 degree. Then join here. This is what degree it is coming? 135 degree. 135 degree. Why 135? See here 90 plus 45. That is 135 degree we got. Now if we draw two tangents here, then here will be 45 degree according to our questions. Here I explained the matter. So you draw 190 degree here. So this is 90 degree. Here also you draw, and in this place also we have to draw 190 degree. Then it will be, so we are drawing 90 degree here also. So it is coming. Now see, our construction is going inside that writing part. That's not a matter, you will do in a big page, and sums also you need not to copy. So you see, this is the 90 degree. This point and this point you have to join. Then here, this point, let's say PA is one tangent, PB is another tangent. So here automatically 40 degree is formed. So this is our construction. You have to give name. Here K, all the extended part you have to give name, and that's all for this sum.